Today, we're diving into two popular budgeting rules that can help you manage your money better: the 70-20-10 rule and the 50-30-20 rule. Stick around to find out which one suits your financial situation best. This is Alex, a young professional. Alex just landed a great job in the city and is excited to start managing his family's finances wisely. But Alex is torn between two budgeting rules: the 70-20-10 rule and the 50-30-20 rule. Let's see how each rule can shape Alex's understanding for his financial journey. Left side, 70-20-10 rule; right side, 50-30-20 rule. 70-20-10 rule suggests 70% of income goes to living expenses like rent, food, and utilities. 20% is saved or invested. 10% is used for debt repayment or charity. On the right, the 50-30-20 rule allocates 50% to needs such as housing, groceries, and transportation. 30% to wants like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% to savings and debt repayment. Alex enjoying a comfortable lifestyle but focusing more on essentials. Alex chooses the 70-20-10 rule. With 70% of the income covering living expenses, Alex ensures all the essentials are well taken care of. The 20% saved or invested helps build a solid financial foundation for the future. Alex uses 10% of his income for his student loan debt repayment. 70-20-10 rule works great for people with higher living costs or those starting with significant debt. It emphasizes financial security and gradual wealth building. Let's look at 50-30-20 rule. Alex enjoying more leisure activities and some splurges, but with a balanced budget. Now, let's see Alex try the 50-30-20 rule. Here, only 50% of the income goes to needs, allowing more flexibility in the budget. The remaining 20% goes into savings and debt repayment. This rule is ideal for individuals with moderate living expenses who want a balanced approach to budgeting. It allows for more discretionary spending while still prioritizing savings. Conclusion: so which one is better? For higher income earners or those with substantial living costs, the 70-20-10 rule provides a stable approach, ensuring all essentials are covered and gradually reducing debt. For moderate income earners or those seeking a balanced lifestyle, the 50-30-20 rule offers more flexibility, making room for enjoying life's pleasures while still saving and managing debt. We hope Alex's journey helped you decide which budgeting rule fits your financial situation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Stealthy Finance Tips channel and press the bell icon. Remember, the key to financial success is choosing a plan that aligns with your lifestyle and goals.